What's up everybody, Wojciech Lepczynski here. Today I show you a quick tip how to reset password in your AWS directory by CLI and by UI. But first, quick intro. First, go to Directory Service. Choose your directory. Reset user password. In Simple ID, you can reset password for main administrator and other users, but not for domain admin and enterprise admin. Just type username and new password. You can just do the same for AWS Managed Microsoft AD, but in this case you cannot reset password for user outside the organization units that you define when creating the directory. Of course, you can reset password for the main admin. Just type admin and new password. And that's all. Wait, it's not end. Now I show you how to reset password by CLI. Before I start, I copy ID my directory. When you open CLI and log into your AWS account, just type AWS Directory Service, reset user password, directory ID, and in this place you paste ID your directory, username, in my case is admin, and new password. You can also do the same for AWS Managed Microsoft AD, just change ID of your directory and username. Because here it's not admin but administrator. Okay, now it's the end, but remember, hit the like button and subscribe. Of course, you can visit my blog. Thanks for watching. On my blog lepczynski.it you will find more useful informations and tutorials. See you in next video.